There's the Revo with the new wheels. This is actually a lot of fun driving it like this. I'm really impressed with the Revo. It handles really well. It's all right, we're having fun, you know. I tend to think I wouldn't be able to abuse the Savage like this as much. Really good place to run. Just rip it up, man. All right, hopefully we get something, baby. Something. Get in this thing that way. Oh no! Out on the water. Agro RC, baby. Little rock bouncing. That's the monster truck. I mean, you can buy a lot of replacements for these things anyway. It's kind of low to the ground. The Savage, I don't know. Yeah, we're on. Keep it going, Craig. Just keep fucking ripping it, dude, while this sucker's alive, boy. I haven't tuned any needles, nothing. Yeah, good to go, man. One more. This sucker just fucking getting it, dude. My God. Good rips around here. Great place to run, man. Yeah, it's really, really cold today. Really cold. Got her down to 208. Does good through those whoops, for sure. Perfect amount of snow. No dust. I feel like the low end is a bit lean. Revo's loving this place. Afro run for my birthday. I'm 50 today, man. Just got my little birthday run. Had a lot of fun out here, doing some agro RC just like back in the day. And I got to keep my train moving now, boys. Keep it moving to Prineville for the next chapter, man. Late. Riding the dirt bike after a good rain, dude. That scenery, boy. Everyone always asks, how fast does it go? Well, all right. And that's fucking plenty fast for me, man. Pretty fun, man. Pretty fun. Check the brakes. Check the brakes. Check the brakes. I'm kind of listening after I let off. It seems like it begurgles a little bit. Damn, it really digs in. This dirt's just amazing right now. Brakes. Brakes. Let it chill out. It takes right off, man. It's because I'm, you know, I just ran it pretty hard right there. Dirt, boy. See this thing go wild, dude. Revo gone wild. So fun. That is some aggro RC, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming right for us. Dude, so fun. That probably got it kind of hot, dude. I'm trying to cool it off, but yeah, she's getting hotter, man. So let me see if I can get this sucker to run a little cooler, man. That's too hot, dude. Well, I could just do this. Geez, damn, what a fun time, dude. Oh my goodness. I think I'd like to find another spot still yet. I want to find like a mountain, like a climbing place where I'm not wide open throttling it. I like these suckers to climb. I actually, yeah, I don't like doing this wide open shit too much.